Hey everyone, Dr. Jones here, and I wanted to share a quick message with you about maintenance care here in the office. We've been getting some questions about what that involves, and so I wanted to let you know that when it comes to your health, actions that you take every single day are either building health in your body or taking away from it. So whether it's adjustments or corrective exercise or the work postures that you're in every day, unfortunately there's no cruise control to your health. So every day you're either getting healthier and building health in the body, or you're allowing subluxation to take over your spine, early onset of degeneration or arthritis, and essentially less well-being of the body. Now, the purpose of maintenance care is to allow your body to express its full potential for as long as possible. So whether you're getting adjusted every other week or once a week, the purpose is to keep you in the game for as long as possible, feeling great, moving great, and really just doing all the things that bring you joy and happiness in life. Sometimes people say, oh, I've heard that once you start getting adjusted, you have to get adjusted for the rest of your life. Well, that's not true. The truth is that you only need to get adjusted for as long as you want to maintain the health of your spine. It's just like brushing your teeth. You don't have to do that every day, but what happens if you stopped? Would that build any health in your teeth, or would they start decaying and get an early onset of gum disease, right? So think of your spine like that, and what a maintenance and wellness adjustment does is maintain the health of your spine. So I just wanted to relate that to you guys and hopefully shed a little bit of light on what maintenance care is. If you have any other questions, let us know. Drop us a line or shoot us an email.